Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload story on Telegram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Telegram app. And you need to update your Telegram application first. So once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open Telegram. So let me open. And here you need to click on three bars on the top left and click on My Stories. And let's suppose I want to create a new one. Click on archive. So here you can see one story, and let's suppose I want to create a new one. So here you can see that currently I'm going to delete this story first. Okay, and now I'm going to post a new story. Click on archive, and here you can see no stories yet. Click on the camera icon and take a picture, and after that you can add caption as well, and it is, you can see that for 24 hours the story is visible. Click on next, and if you want to share with everyone, click on that. With your contacts, select this one. With your close friends, click this one. And for selected user, click, you need to select this one. And if you want, you can allow screenshots, and if you want, you can post to your profile. So I'm going to select everyone, allow screenshots and post to my profile. Click on post story. So let me show you. So here you can see that I posted a story. So this is the process by which you can post story on Telegram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.